A woman brought me a ring that her mother purchased for her on a cruise to Jamaica in 1989. She wore it for years, but the original decorative screws had begun to fall out. She asked me to fabricate new screw heads to replace the original brass screws. Unfortunately, her mother passed away a couple of years ago, and fixing this ring has been a way to commemorate her mother. The original screw heads were only secured with super glue, so I welded a wire onto the screw head and melted the glue to remove the remaining screws. Once all the new screw heads were completed, I carefully set them into place and soldered them to ensure that she won't have this issue again. To add sentimental value to this piece, she requested that I don't polish out the scratches, preserving the memories they once shared together. What do you think about retaining the original character of sentimental jewelry?